What is up, everybody? It is Hobbs back here with you with a review. The MVD Entertainment sent me this copy for you guys. It's Cat and the Canary. It is a 1939 film, at least that's what IMDb is telling me. It is approximately 1 hour and 12 minutes. Gets a 7.1 on IMDb. Starring Bob Hope. That's right, as Wally! Bob Hope plays Wally in the film. And basically what we have here is we have a group of relatives that are going to a home that is basically someone has inherited the home. And they are going to have the rights and the will read out to them at that home. So someone's going to get that home as all the relatives meet up. And there is like a lawyer there who's going to divvy up all of the inheritance. I have a great-great-grandfather who has passed away. I believe someone of higher stature that has passed away. And basically, they got to figure who's going to inherit the huge castle. And people start to get picked off in a strange fashion. You know, people learn that there's a killer on the loose, but they're not for sure why, which, to be quite honest, we've seen this premise before. We know why. You know, I'm not going to give you my thoughts because I don't want to ruin the film. But basically, someone's killing people in the house because, let's just say there's inheritance on the line. And there's a very big twist in the end of the film that you'll have to watch and see. Let me just tell you that this film was fantastic. The color was great. Bob Hope, as always, you know, was fantastic in the film. His character as Wally was very fun. He played like this kind of an actor, kind of comedian type role in the film. And I'm going to start watching more of his films. I really enjoyed it. This movie is more like a whodunit. Kind of has some horror elements to it. But if you like Bob Hope and you like whodunits, you like classic black and white films, you're going to love this Arrow release of this film. Lots of features. Definitely worth the watch. Go pick it up on MVD Entertainment. I'll put the link to their website, mvdshop.com. Let me know your thoughts on The Cat and the Canary, if you've seen this, or if you're a fan of Bob Hope in general. And thanks for watching. This is Hobbs Horror. Peace.
Welcome to the house on the A6 block. I'm just chilling on the porch in my chair I rock. I'm your host Jimmy Biggs with the ghoulish grip. The only light outside is the full moon lit. Welcome to a world mixed with evil and good. If you didn't plan on staying, then you misunderstood. This ain't a nightmare, the figment of imagination. Step aside and the house will awaken. Skeleton, play the piano.